go.
Meal peppers. Paul coming at you here. Amy behind the camera. We got to get her in front of the camera one of these days. I'm thinking.
Sorry.
We still, you know, it should be cold. It should be cold. I'm gonna just embrace my cold weather here, even though it's 70 right now.
70, 72.
So we got two stews, easy to make. And then I was looking for kind of a healthy orange chicken option here, and I made a couple of modifications, but obviously a little bit more involved than our stews. Our stews are one-pot stews, real easy to make. I'm going to start over here with our cauliflower soup. I guess it's more of a soup. It's cauliflower soup, but it's got sausage. It's got sausage and kale in it. And that's pretty much the main ingredients right there, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of chicken broth in there, but you just make it in one pot. Basically, you're starting with the onions, and then you add your cauliflower, right?
Garlic, cauliflower.
Well, actually, you cook the sausage, put that aside, then put your cauliflower in there. Add the sausage back in, put your broth, your kale. It just all
and some half and half.
Well,
if you don't want to use dairy, you can use coconut milk instead.
Or maybe even Greek yogurt. I mean,
nah.
You have to let it cool if you're going to do that. We were thinking not Greek yogurt. What were we thinking?
Coconut milk.
Okay,
that's what I said, son.
That's what you said. Okay. So, but one pot stew.
Soup.
Easy to soup. Easy to bulk up if you have more company. So that's great. And then over here, I was looking for. I was just in the mood for orange chicken, and then Amy's like, "Sure, why not?" Because I want some rice too. So she's got her cilantro rice in here, which is not really a Chinese thing, but that's okay. No worries. We got orange chicken. I made a couple of modifications to it. Basically just use arrowroot powder instead of cornstarch. It does have a little flour in there, some ginger powder, garlic, and then you coat the chicken. Cook it in sauce. It's made up of orange juice, tamari, some honey, some sriracha. That's pretty much it. Let that thicken up in the pot, throw the chicken back in, let it get nice and gooey. And then we have some stir-fried veggies. We've got broccoli, red pepper, some shredded carrots. You just get the wok going with some avocado oil and let it go.
Or sesame oil.
Or sesame oil. Yeah, definitely. That would be a great flavor. And then if you want to add some soy sauce at the end. We like tamari. It has a better flavor, I think, to it. Costs a little bit more, but it definitely has a better flavor. And then over here, I've got another bison chili. I know we kind of made some earlier.
Ooh, extreme close-up. Sorry about that.
This bison chili has got some sweet potatoes in it. Real easy to make. Again, just put it all in there. And we don't start with the basic onion. We start with red onion on this one. So that'll give another great sweetness flavor.
It's not basic, it's extra.
Extra. Purple onion.
Purple onion.
And that's it, team. So we'll let this cook for about an hour so those sweet potatoes soften up a bit. And these are obviously we're going to heat up later in the week. And they're going to be beautiful.
Yes,
so let us know what you like. Always keep in touch, ask questions, make some recipe suggestions. And that way we can make what you guys like to eat.
And happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. All right, have a great weekend. Take care.